There are certain things that you wish to do in your life, certain projects that you desire to undertake. This is one such passion project. If you wish to know more about it, please stay connected. I had often thought of painting a white lotus amidst blue, navy blue, or dark blue lake. So, this is something that I had always wanted to paint. And today, using fabric paints, I'm painting on a piece of paper. Using variety of blue shades made the lake look very lively and attractive. So right from turquoise, sky blue, white, navy blue, purple, black, I used a lot of colors, about 10 colors I had used to paint the lake. Same with the leaves, I had used dark green, I had used light green, olive green, yellow, white, black, brown. So I realized that using a number of shades makes the painting look really very attractive and vibrant. Last but not the least, my white lotus. White lotus anywhere has attracted my attention, and I feel that it connects to my spirituality. So there was this intense desire within me to own a painting with white lotus. Never thought of that I would paint it myself, but I had always loved white lotus. So while I paint, I start with white and then I add other shades to it. The white, the purity of the white is not lost by adding the other colors to it. It just creates the light and shadow effect, and it looks really very attractive and beautiful when the other shades, other colors also peep from within the essence of white. If you like the video, kindly like, share, comment and subscribe to show your motivation, and thank you for your time.